Guys, have you ever spoken English and felt like, why do people immediately know I'm a beginner? Guys, the truth is, it's not your accent, it's not your vocabulary, and it's definitely not because you are not intelligent. Guys, most English learners make a very few common mistakes, and these mistakes instantly make them sound less fluent than they actually are. So, today I'll show you 10 mistakes that beginners make every day, and more importantly, how to fix them. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1, translating everything from your native language. Guys, many learners think in their own language first, then translate into English. For example, I have 25 years because in many languages that's how age is expressed. Guys, but in English we say I am 25 years old. Guys, if you are translating every sentence in your head, your English will always feel slow and unnatural. So instead of this, learn English phrases as complete chunks, not word by word. Mistake number 2, saying I am agree. Guys, this is one of the most common mistakes. Many learners say I am agree. But agree is already a verb. So the sentence is I agree. Example, I am agree with you, it's wrong. The correct is I agree with you. Simple change, big difference. Mistake number 3 is using very basic word. Listen to this. The movie was good. The food was good. The trip was good. Everything is good. Guys, native speakers use more specific words. Instead of saying good, say amazing, excellent, fantastic, or interesting. The more specific your vocabulary becomes, the more natural you sound. Mistake number 4, forgetting to use contractions. Guys, native speakers rarely say I am going, we are happy, they will come. Instead, they say I'm going, we are happy, they'll come. Guys, contractions make your English sound smoother and more natural. If you avoid them, you may sound robotic. Mistake number 5, using the wrong prepositions. Prepositions are small words, but they create huge mistakes. Examples, married with someone, it's wrong. Correct is married to someone. Good in English is wrong. Correct is good at English. Arrive to home is wrong. Correct is arrive home. Unfortunately, guys, there are no shortcuts in preposition. You have to learn these combinations naturally. Mistake number 6 is speaking too fast. Guys, many learners believe fast English equals to fluent English. Not true. Fluency is clarity, not speed. So take your time, pause when needed, and focus on pronunciation. Mistake number 7 is overusing very. Very happy, very big, very tired, very beautiful. Guys, instead of this, use strong words. Instead of very happy, use delighted. Instead of very tired, use exhausted. Guys, this instantly makes your English sound more advanced. Mistake number 8 is answering questions with one word. Imagine someone asks you, how was your day? And you answer, good. Guys, conversation finished. Instead, try, my day was good, I finished some work and spent time with my family. Longer answers improve fluency and they make conversations easier. Mistake number 9 is being afraid of mistakes. Guys, this might be the biggest mistake of all. Many learners know the answer but stay silent. Why? Because they are afraid of making mistakes. Remember one thing, children become fluent because they speak, not because they speak perfectly. Guys, every mistake is feedback, every conversation is practice. So speak more and worry less. Last, mistake number 10 is learning English but never using it. Guys, you watch videos, you read books, you learn vocabulary, but do not actually speak. Guys, many learners spend years studying English without using it. Guys, English is a skill and skills improve through practice. If you want to become fluent, you must use English every day. So let's quick review all mistakes. Number 1, avoid translating everything. Number 2, don't say I am agree. Number 3, use better vocabulary. Number 4, use contractions. Number 5, learn correct prepositions. Number 6, don't speak too fast. Number 7, stop overusing very. Number 8 is give longer answers. Number 9, don't fear mistakes. And most importantly, use English every single day. So, guys, remember, fluency doesn't come from knowing English, fluency comes from using English. So, guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me which mistake you make most often. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.